Talk to me. Talk to me.
Alright, go forward again and then back.
When you talk to me, I make me go over a gully, man.
Straight now, come back. Straight. Yeah, so we never need to talk.
No, you suck.
Yeah, we know. We tell you already.
John, no, we can't trust you.
Chop back away.
Yeah, we know tractor coming in.
Oh crap. Me,
Yeah, him.
thing there.
Papa.
Yeah, I don't remember how it goes. But it's still make your move fast.
What you say?
When you don't move your hands as much.
Tell Bolt that, no?
No, but isn't it this that they say that kind of motors like pushes you through?
Says the Western world. Says if you don't move your hand, move fast. You have more energy. Your body is less energy.
Well, try running both ways and
I don't need to prove it. I just need to find out the documentary that I watched.
Yeah, but documentaries can always tell you all sorts of crap. People can tell you anything.
Yeah, they can tell you. So when you move your hands, you go faster. The proof is in the pudding. I'm sure.
Greetings again, Chief. I'm telling me a good place where we can buy some food. No around here. Okay. Ah, cool. Respect.
Man, like a face messy people. Man, look so.
White man.
We are called white man. Squeeze through. No, the man there. No, the man there. My Pro Box. Few.
You know, so they have if a cube or Pro Box, I want to take no. It's a cube that runs taxi from UE to Halfway Tree. And at the back of it, you have one sign. No fat girl.
Oh yes, I saw it. No fat chicks.
No fat chicks.
I saw it.
No, I just like I always see him in Halfway Tree. I've never seen the sign before until the other day, but it's like because he drives so fast and I always pack it up, I've never thought of taking it. And the thing is, I don't really take those taxis because I go more now. And the other day, me in one taxi, I passed and we see the sign and we say, yes, if I in some other country, somebody that finds somewhere. First, we don't know. 2 way more so.
Jamaican and blatant to the whole pastor. In the business.
It was very fun.
Yeah, I saw it. I know what it is.
Very fun. But because of how you want pack it up, you never heard.
So when you know, like an agreement, to get to the person, you can't get to them.
Oh, yeah.
It's either in hands or the phone or what?
Yeah, that's happened to me. I say, yo.
I think when we try to get to you, we can't get there.
No. Really? You try call me?
What time your phone?
You know who? You know. Well, you know who? We can't call Candice. Jeez and peas. If I call like 10 times.
Yeah, they Cecilia called me and said, Ryan, no, send me a text because she called me and couldn't get me. I said, Ryan, may I jug pan and why and you owe me something why you don't answer me?
That's Cecilia.
Hey, sometimes phone waste of time, yeah, man. Me not lie. Me not lie.
True.
Phone waste of time, man.
I always
Why
wonder
nobody
about
else
that.
can't get
When I call down when I get you.
When you
All the complaints
no,
that they can't get.
can't get. No, you know why? Because
You're on the phone.
Yeah, him
You
see
don't
you.
know on the phone.
him see you and say okay.
No, but I don't talk to Gawain a
Him
lot.
say me have to answer this because I worry if me not answer it. Then me I call.
I return back the call if, you know?
yeah.
I worries.
consequences.
Man.
Like, because Gawain like probably once per day.
But somebody tell yo, the phone waste time. Me not lie. Waste
It
a
does,
whole
it
heap of time.
Because I agree with that 100%.
Whole heap of time waste. So sometimes I do certain things, just put the phone on one side and say, watch out. I could have even, my name there. I could have even, no.
Okay.
No. I just not call my phone.
What don't you do? So that's not.
Well, it says it's on the side there.
So what do you think about the camp now?
Which one you prefer, Gawain?
Prefer.
Yeah.
The better.
Better?
Well,
No, I mean-
aside from Bethel, then two them. Which one you prefer?
Tapioca and
Yeah, tapioca. Yeah.
No matter who come here, say it.
I see you're not a big fan of the guy either.
Huh?
You're not a big fan of the guy either.
No, we don't have a problem with him at this place.
Oh.
Because that's the things we can't control. So that bad in him blow. You know, say yes or no.
You hear so?
But yes or they want to come.
This is
They
it?
can't want to come, yes sir.
Well, they can, but.
Continuously, so look at this clear.
Oh, yo, this is.
And I have to pay.
You know what? One of them could have been good on mate.
Hello?
I like the rock somewhere.
I hear some freezing.
Let me take a picture.
Dana.
It's no. Hey, man.
That's what I'm listening off on.
You prefer AC or.
So I hear son that come?
AC or no good? Okay.
In the way.
Eh?
I hear son that on that come?
No, we're not moving better than
I want something in there, sir. I want to store that.
When you with tapioca, the concept is very nice, you know, the concept.
This is not for it. It's for
So,
Yes, man,
Alright,
man full of himself, too, not true?
so we're going to pass. We're going to end up pass. Yeah,
As
him
in-
talk about himself a lot.
As in terms of tapioca, that I mean.
Yeah.
In full of, like, you know, tapioca is all that, you know?
I'm pride, man.
Alright, so we're going to pass 5 eating places. Majestic Japanese.
Yeah, that's where they go.
Grosvenor Cafe rated 4.3 star. Sea Deck Restaurant.
This one sound like a $1,000 lunch at the
Tambrin Indian, well that one they close.
You want to roast up for
Yo,
Jade Garden
man must
Restaurant.
hate this something with them called
KFC,
GPS.
KFC.
We're going to bring up the food place, the girl them and say, yo, and they say, want to stop, you know?
You tell them about
Where's the
your
KFC?
Japanese experience.
One,
You know the wasabi.
Or the junior no patty, a patty I've got it.
You know, soy patty.
No, man, not just
Aki patty.
no, them say vegan, but that's not vegan. Oh, you know.
But them using
How you
the
know?
cross-couple thing.
No, the thing is that how them using that they pour down a vegan.
I want to should I stop, you know.
So wait, you're vegan.
Wait, I hear someone.
But it rough.
See the teacher.
This can't see me now, you know.
What's it about?
No, man, this over here, but over here
Hello?
look better.
Yeah, over here is a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, take it away of them.
Syrup, let's syrup.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to do syrup. Just a big McGuire.
But
That's not legal.
that's not
But all some mid students and then sit with them
You know, our brother will make aki yati, call it yati. Him use wheat, like the crust is completely wheat flour.
Oh, why Papi, no?
No, immediately their Independence Gala, something. What am I selling? The thing. It's really good, really good.
I know the bacon are fried now.
Fried. And it's bad, man. It's bad. You try it. But no way.
Actually, we couldn't get no contact for them because we are calling from home and can't get them. We call them earlier. We get to them earlier, we don't get them.
Yeah, it is. Yes, that did bad. Remember me did bad. Remember me starve that.
This is jumping out somewhere already. The shit kind of hide them.
Yes, yeah, and I say yes. Yeah, that's how I slow down.
Did he tell you guys where the field is? So
yeah, it must say a community field. Yeah. Oh, it's a snapshot.
Say hi.
They don't need to see me.
Sure.
Hi.
Chef Junior. And we have the man with the money.
Ryan Rust.
Money man.
Have money to let her rust out.
Not even answering.
That's the money people.
Yeah, man, them not answer you. Let me stay.
Hungry.
This is a crocodile on the water.
Huh?
Crocodile.
That's alright. When you could have eaten better with a phone.
It's a one.
So, you know, the sweetest man cheese. It's nice and smooth.
To the left, we have St. Mary.
I find them in the boy.
Robert Schumann roundabout.
What is that weird place?
Stop me up, please.
Yes, these are the banana. St. Mary's.
Banana
The chips.
Yeah, enough pineapple still.
Pine? Oh, pineapple on the side. Yeah.
Pineapple.
Hey, buy pineapple peel Friday, man. And last time we cut it up and thing, I said, like, so, just drinks me got in that. Use me that. No! And the thing is, it look ripe and smells so good, you know. Well, bananas consistent.
I don't just say
banana.
the only fruit that consistent.
Yeah, man, I say banana, man, you must say.
Fresh banana. I see green. I see green.
Probably a lot of rain or something.
What is a fresh banana?
I never taste one. You taste one there? I must see you make that one there.
Yeah. Oh, the force right.
I say unfit. So no pick it.
Yeah.
Pick it when you're not fit.
Yeah, that's kind of true. You know, somebody care from the York Phil.
He's very versatile. He's very versatile.
I think it's a look nice to chill out on that. But you, I mean, you cook on it and jump in the head, killer.
Oh. Worst thing?
In the sense that
But you can't predict it. That is so true. That is so true.
Hey, in my life,
It's a gamble. It's a
in my
gamble.
lifetime, I was about 2 times ever taste a sweet melon. A sweet melon. 2 times. You tell the truth. 2 times.
mango kind of.
Trust me, mango. When you eat mango, man, it come like a heavy head.
Oh my gosh.
Man!
It's a nice
Big one
big
Friday, man.
Indian, man.
Yeah. So me I eat mango, man. I laugh. That's why I laugh. Laugh. It looks so laugh. Yo, the mango sweet and heavy in there.
Yeah, man.
Eat one Friday, master. Yo.
What mango are your favorite things?
Afraid of it.
What are you?
I like sugar cane.
Why were you
I
afraid?
like a lot of fruit.
No, I'm kind of interested in why were you afraid?
Afraid of mango.
It just looks
on the best.
So she have sense now.
And see, like, at my house, we used to have a lot of cane.
Oh, I'm important.
Yeah.
We used to have a lot of cane. So you see
Don't
when,
you know?
when my grandfather used to have a cane, then he one whole cane in a one day. Because I love cane.
Yeah. See, when cane's really sweet, it can be enjoyable, really enjoyable.
And we used to eat it.
Yeah.
Realize how much of
Yeah, man. Bottom usually the sweetest part.
cane.
Can
Yeah.
you imagine if, alright, if you can get a sweet cane or a sweet melon or a sweet pineapple, and it's cake. Can you imagine before seeing my youth? And you broke like all that cane and start eating. Yeah? Man,
And I would laugh.
I tell you.
Right, them almost done, you know? Hey, you could have buy one back of apple, you know?
Where?
See, yes,
Stop them, man. I'm not to see them. See them. You gotta go further? Go, man.
Alright.
So that one, go put on close. That's the man alone, man.
Yeah, he did have a whole bunch of things when we were going.
People drive by.
Yeah.
So now,
Just about.
Just by the watermelon and.
you have melon?
No melon, pine.
Yeah, my pine is on the sun, so I'm not too on risk.
Buy the apple that's in here.
This is the 50 man buy
Or go, we're going in and
Go
go.
in.
and take piece of the pineapple and see if it's sweet.
How much apple?
Alright, man, come on. No, you can't hold it.
Appetizer.
You stop at Japan.
You know, so we kind of feel.
it-
We never stop at Majestic Japan.
Yeah. So majestic prices.
That's a fit for our kids.
Yeah. Yes,
That
sir.
one did the CEO of it. She's like, Denise, you think I should buy the last for $700? Yeah. Let's make
Try
this
too
go.
much.
And you
it.
tell her yes?
You can't afford it.
Oh, well, she can't afford. Okay.
You see how them spend money? I said you must spend money.
Her salary is almost $10 million a year.
Her what?
Salary.
What?
Yeah.
Minus benefits.
What?
No, I don't know. When you add on the benefits, it's about $10 million.
No, what she do? What she do?
The administrator general.
For where?
Jamaica.
Oh,
Yeah, but you don't pay a big money.
She's a lawyer.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
10 million enough money.
Of course, I want the money. Well, for me.
You know, so a man now works.
Now, when you work 1 million a year.
Hmm?
When you work 1 million a year.
You know, so a man now works make that a month.
$10 million?
I'm trying to know the money where people make in a wholesale, yeah?
Where's that?
I say, in a trying to know the money where people make in a wholesale. A whole of money.
Remember, say day, 100 people going there and spend $20.
Hey, you look on total, you know. Remember, see them have to buy back them.
Yeah, me know. But you realize what I just said?
Yeah.
100 people spend $1,000. That's a per day. And we don't see no 100 people going there. And we don't see more than $1,000 spent.
It's him just attack the average.
Yeah, that's 100 goes a day.
But not only that, you see this woman who sell right on Arden Road. She said she had only.
$50,000 people.
No, more than 25.
No, man. You go wholesale recently? Because they buy the cheap price,
Yeah.
and them says that the same price to the beer and all of the items and the same price regardless of brand.
Yeah,
All of the
yeah.
ketchup,
That's
Are you
why I
same
serious?
price
Yes,
regardless
that's why I
of
don't
brand.
like going to
All of the tinting them,
Yeah.
same price, so it no matter.
Oh.
So the profit margin high.
That's why I don't like the supermarket where you can go in and they may have a promotion. So you can walk and pick up what you want. Brand you prefer. All of that. And but you don't make so you have to analyze the one they can
Oh, okay.
Hey, as we said, we know this woman herself on Arden Road. And I tell her, man, see, she make a whole of money a day. Because she the only vendor on Arden Road. And you have the Arden school there, so.
Oh.
And you have the money on the side over by it. Yo, brother, how do you sell the money? Eh? I tell you, man, hold it for money.
They have something that's set up by George's, no, by Jamaica College. You have to see them cereal and hot milk in the morning and Mexico.
Oh, zeal?
They say that's how much they think that alright.
Yeah, the things in it.
The man have the big old price smart cornflakes and he sell a cup of hot milk.
We'll have milk. Wow.
Or if you want the regular, if you want the cold milk, and you have the cereal.
Jessica.
Feel good. I mean, I'm looking at it like I'm Jessica.
Yeah, right up on her friend.
And the man just a blue woman.
I like you know
I
what?
should have said,
Enough man out there want me.
Enough man out there want me. And it still blow me.
But we soon pass on jerk place. We just want
Good stuff.
which part of stuff is the bathroom.
Oh, yeah. I don't know where it's at.
mad, you know? Indian girl. You're supposed to know her from Trinidad. So speak. Radical.
Was Janelle from Trinidad?
Indian.
Only one Indian girl.
Sure.
Justice.
Sound like Carice. She's not from her?
Which car is it now? Nothing.
Durval Carice.
She come from Trinidad.
Where she come from?
Sorry, Indian.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh, she's still in Ireland?
From Mandeville, at Mandeville Hospital, she did.
Oh, Durval. South Valley. ASX? Yeah, it's an ASX. I didn't get it. Like.
That's what they should buy for me this year for my birthday.
Yeah, when I make the big money, the 10 million a year. I mean, you must buy the man a Mitsubishi. I heard.
Yeah, offering you $50,000 gross per month.
$50,000?
Yes, so that you can, because the thing is, right, they're saying that
Huh?
you can bill your
US?
fees. No, Jamaican. So they're saying that you can bill your fees. So like whatever billing you do per month, you get a percentage of that plus $50,000.
Okay. So
But the thing is,
you get $50,000.
Work.
no,
Yeah.
senior
So
attorney is going to give you his good matters. His money matters, he will not give them to you.
so you can actually end up.
So you go look at client, but he's the one benefiting more than you. So you go look at clients now.
No, so
But he's
here I
probably
go.
giving you like a
So here I go.
70-30.
So here I go. When you go, you say, this is worth this. This is my client. You got share. You have to negotiate with it.
Are you saying 70-30?
Then you make it client go. And you can do it privately. You never sense you can
And
do it
them
privately.
some whole class of make it seem like you can't do no. And that's what you say. You cannot do any work outside, within your work hours. Anything you do outside of the work hours, you must inform them of it.
Oh, see?
So I'm going to make my client know, say, alright, we can do this for you at this time.
That's what I think. That's why I'm going to do their own, you know.
One of the big one, one of that to them is
Fraud.
when they can afford the gas.
That's why
So I'm ready for this side here.
You know what?
Our website.
one of my friends, she just been go on her own.
Okay.
And it's not like she have any experience per se. But in a relationship, they don't need any. If you know people that you can bounce stuff off of, or if you know one senior who's willing to help you, you can go find your own.
Or if you read extra hard.
Or if yeah. So she do like she doing a lot of simple stuff. The one thing criminal she doing is bail application.
Okay. Tapioca.
That's a nice baby.
That's all.
Nice apple.
See how, yeah. That one, them one there, yeah, some dark one.
Just strip.
Mine was meant to be flat.
Who said that? Why you never born with the flat? She didn't make the flat.
She's not going to know where we're going. That's it.
Chat, them a chat.
Yeah, I mean.
One bag of chat. Of course. I'm
They hear
promoting
you.
to me. You give a drum here when you're talking.
Which woman do you listen after the female? Like, you can just trim off that.
Which woman are which man?
What?
I never say I'm an opportunity.
Alright.
How are you there?
How you think plant? Yeah, I'm Gully Queen anyway. The woman.
Bollywood?
Gully Queens?
Oh. Many years of that. Nobody is up in the
But once a week, and you have to make your appointment, and I charge you.
Wally.
Pressure.
No, I can't. I don't even know.
I'm going to use the class, man.
You on the right path?
Oh, we in a primary school, you know. We used to try to teach you electricity.
You only get empty in the front one.
I said we used to call him in a primary school.
So you never used to show a picnic like that at primary school?
He used to play netball and he could have played really well too, you know.
Of course.
And he when he
Sissy with electricity.
when he was showing Sissy a pivot. You know, like how only play, but only not pivot and it's not. They want to see.
What's that? People that?
No,
Part I give.
Sissy with electricity.
I encourage people inside.
Yeah. Yeah. You can't find Hope Church? Because you let the rider leave you, you know. I told her that you should have been at Papi, you know, by 1 o'clock. So you have to find Hope Church. Or when you reach there, I'll call Sister Robinson and ask her to come and pick you up. Alright. Just let me know when you reach here, alright?
Yeah, OFC, the place name. Oriental Fried Chicken.
1:30. So because I have? It's a big people that become me well want them to come here and talk. I will go customer off and they because say yo. Hey, what on? Where the palm we are for man, sure. Yeah, how you mean? What? Yeah, really. So how you going to cook it then? You tell me say split pizza cook. How you cook it? You don't see. How you don't see then? How you going to cook it? Yeah, looking at the bottom jar. See me, you want to talk to him? No. But yeah. Hey, yeah, listen, yeah, Monique, I'm not the rest of them to eat one, you know. Yeah, laugh.
So, you know, it's about OFC. That we end the names?
Yes, it's so far.
Oriental Fried Chicken. No.
Yeah, we court. Oh, okay.
No, it's around the corner there. Jerk Cafe. Oh, wait, we got to stop here or something?
Alright, that's something like that.
Early, about 6 o'clock. Oh.
Yeah. Clear?
So good?
What do you mean, wait up? So you couldn't take them up?
George Cafe, George Cafe.
Yeah, and OFC is over there.
You
So.
see? I
So,
So where though?
so-
where though?
Man!
Let's see that.
I think Monique room she was.
Oh, yeah.
But she had look things.
See, I thought about
They
booking
cook.
a room.
so we should
Street off.
I think they want grease or something.
You know me.
Oh, okay.
You know me.